Whatever you were destined to become, God already has it implemented in you, okay? Your job in life is to simply find the path that it takes to reach that purpose, to fulfill that goal, to fulfill that blessing that you've been given right out the womb. There's no denying it. You were born with a gift of passion. That passion was built to serve a community in humanity. Serving that community, serving humanity, that's the gift. That's the goal. That's what makes you whole. When you feel like things aren't working out for you, when you feel like I should be doing something else that it just doesn't fulfill me, I should be doing something that does fulfill me, that's what's happening. That's what's happening right there. That passion, that purpose is trying to pull itself out. It's trying to come out that cocoon. It is your job to allow it to bloom. Now, for your call to action, for your homework that's going to help to stick this in, what I want you to do is write down 5 of your top hobbies, occupations that you've done that gives you the most unexplainable joy. Because at some point in your life, if you're at least at adult status, you have done something that is reminiscent of your passion, of your purpose that's within you, that's God-given, that is your really only big goal in life, that's going to open up everything else that you desire to happen. So that's what I want you to do. Write down 5 things, and then from those 5 things, think about 6 months to a year. Which of those 3 out of 5 things doesn't matter? If you had 6 months to a year to live, and you just had to give the world the best of you, which one of those 3 things wouldn't matter? Then, once you pick those 3 things, give yourself a day to live. 24 hours. You've done everything you can. It's terminal. It's time to be called home. But you got to get your affairs in order with the world, with your audience. What would you do? What's that one thing you would do? What's that one thing you would extract that will bring the world, that will make the world better than it was when you found it? Okay? Share that in the comments below. Like this video if it brought value to you. Continue to share this. Send this to others. Don't forget to follow and subscribe as well, because we got videos like this coming to you every day. See you in the next one.